Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Rollercoin. We're nearly halfway through season 4. So we're going to be doing a super quick update, checking out how our account is doing, where we're at, and I've got a payment proof for you as well, so keep watching. Okay, welcome to another video, and remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in my Rollercoin account, and like I say, this is just going to be a super quick update, just looking at how our progress is going, as well as bringing you a payment proof. So the last video I did was 2 weeks ago, and 2 weeks ago in that video, my bonus power was 140.26. You can now see we're 145.66, and that's basically because of the season 4 going through the levels and gaining some of those free miners and such like. We were also at 56.801 petahashes. You can now see we're at nearly 60 petahashes, and we were at level 5 on the in the event pass. I have done about half of my games today, so we only need 4 more XP to tip into level 14. So if we click here, you can see we've done 42 games. Obviously, the aim is to get to 80 per day, just to claim those extra points. When playing obviously in the event pass, this is usually what I'll do. I'll buy my 2 loot boxes, which then basically complete those bottom 2. We click on the Discord and the Facebook link or the YouTube link and the Twitter link or whatever it is that is displayed there. We do obviously the games. I can't play Flappy Rocket. That's the only thing, is sometimes with these specific games that they point out, there's just certain games I'm just no good at. Flappy Rocket and Crypto Hamster are 2 of those. So basically, we've done Kryptonite for the day, got our 3 for that. We've done our 40, so we've got our 7 for that. But like I say, we've got about another 18 to go, and then we would have done up. No, that's not right, is it? Yeah, 18. It is right. No, it's not. Oh, sorry. My brain's just gone mad. 38. It's 38 to go, isn't it? 38 to go. And then we'll complete our 80. So, a lot of people do believe that because obviously I do these videos and you know, my YouTube channel is relatively big, that I have people signing up like every single day or every hour or something like that to this program. Not at all. That is not how it works at all. Now and again, I'll get a few referrals, which obviously does help, especially in the season pass completing this one. But most times, most days, I don't get it. So anyway, let's click that. So that will say that we've received our new gift from the event pass, which I believe is just a small miner, and that tips us into level 14 and giving us 3 XP. So obviously when we complete those other 38 games, I think that gives you another 12 or something like that. So that's going to give us 15 XP going into level 14. So if we click on the items panel, there is our little miner. So we don't have any space for him, or it, should I say. Excuse me. On this screen, so we'll drop over here. So I've got 1 there. I've got 1 there. So if I've got a 3rd one, I might well, what's the word? Craft those 2 into a 1 star. Like this one, like this little one here that we made as a 1-star. I actually gained, I got 3 miners free from the airdrops playing in the games. Mostly on most occasions, I'll just get like fans and wires, cables and stuff like that, which I think most people get. The odd power boost here and there, but I think it was a couple of weeks back I did manage to get a few free miners, and I basically crafted those into single star miners. I was hoping I would get another free miner in the subsequent weeks, but I haven't. I've just got, like I say, cables and stuff like that. So, but like I say, if I've got a third one of those, I will probably craft, because I always like to try and keep one as a standard, because as I've said, when you craft miners together, if you craft all of the miners, yes, your miner is increased, yes, you will get an increased bonus, but if you don't have at least one of the original versions of that miner kept, then you will lose that bonus from the original version. So essentially, I always try and get them in 3s, so then I can craft 2 together and then keep one of the original. So essentially, you get a bonus on the original and then a bonus on the crafted one. So that is the best way of doing it. Okay, so obviously, I have mentioned this quite a few times before on various other videos, but if you're not a member, make sure you check out our Discord channel. So this is our Discord channel. We got over 100 members and we are growing fast. We got multiple channels on multiple programs, all with dedicated chat, game announcements, server announcements, hints, tips, promo codes, everything that you're going to need to stay on top of what is going on with whatever programs you are using. That pretty much all the channels are dedicated to the programs that I promote or review. And like I say, this is set up as like a one-stop shop. So you can just join our Discord. You don't need to go to all the different Discord channels. You can come here, you can get everything that you need in one place. And for those of you that this is the first time you are seeing Rollercoin and you're not quite sure what it's all about, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Now that's going to give you more details and a better understanding of what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of those free coins. And if you do use my referral link, you'll also get a free 1,000 Satoshis deposited into your account. Okay, so you've seen how I'm getting on. How are you getting on? What level are you at? Are there any games you're getting stuck on? Do you have any questions? If you do, pop them in a post below this video and I will answer them as soon as I can. Or you can just drop into our Discord channel, pop them into the Rollercoin chat, and if it's not me, I'm sure someone else will be able to help you out. My man Zeko Maru here, he's a member of our Discord channel and you can see he's at level 16. That's 2 above me, and I know for a fact that he does not have a very large account at all. He's just doing the games, putting the work in, and he's moving up through that season pass, and I actually do believe he could make it to the end. Okay, so in the introduction I promised you a payment proof. So let's get on with it. Okay, so if we dive into our wallet, so we just click on the wallet icon there and then go to Bitcoin, then drop into our history, we can actually see that this month we've actually withdrawn 2 payments. So we've done a withdrawal for 180,000 BTC, and we've also done a withdrawal for 245,000 BTC. So obviously, quite nice withdrawals there. And if we drop into our Trezor wallet, you can see here, weirdly enough, the 180, which was the one that we sent first on the 8th of March, we didn't receive that into our account until the 21st of April. Sorry, that was the 8th of April, and we received it on the 21st of April. And then this one that we sent later, actually we got that on the 5th of April. So I'm not quite sure how that worked out. There must have been some sort of a delay or something of the payment sort of actually being deposited into my account. But it does show that both have arrived. That one is a little shy. There must have been some sort of fee on that, maybe, and maybe I don't know that's what changed the order. I'm not entirely sure, but at the end of the day, both payments did make it into our account, and that is basically all that matters. Because if a program is paying, like I say, that means a program is working. And Rollercoin has now been around for what 3 years, nearly 3 years, over 3 years. It is always paid on time. As far as I know, I've never had a problem with it. So, at the end of the day, this is not I would never say this is a program that you can just deposit money into, buy a few miners, and then make a nice profit. With Rollercoin, you do have to constantly be working at it. That is the only thing I will say about this program. I love the program. Obviously, I've used it for a long time, well over 2 years now, and like I say, I've never had an issue. And the other thing I like with this program is these guys are constantly bringing updates, constantly bringing new things to the platform to improve the member experience. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found it helpful, fun and informative. And if you like what I do, it would be absolutely amazing if you could subscribe to my Patreon and support my channel for as little as $1, which then helps me bring more content to you. And if you're interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.